Right, Greg the Wild Hippie back once again. I'm going to build this one today. A friend of mine on Facebook requested this one a couple of months back, so yeah, going to do this one. I don't know much about it. It's a attack helicopter. I thought it was an Apache to start with a misprint, but it's not. I know absolutely nothing about it. I'm not really in the helicopters, but yeah, I got it in a charity shop for an amazing price. So I thought, well, yeah, it'll go in the stash. So yeah, I'm going to build this one up now. I'm going to get everything out of the box and I'll bring it back. Alright, back with you. I'm not going to open it because it might get scratched, but yeah, there's your canopy. That looks really, really nicely moulded. Yeah, it's a really, really crisp kit. I'm liking the moulding on it. There's some nice detailing. No flash whatsoever, really. There's a little bit on the top of the main body there, but really quite nicely moulded. Not a huge part count. Yeah, it's already in the khaki green, but I'll probably end up painting it anyway to hide seam lines. But yeah, there's not much to it. Shame there's no pilot figures. Again, it's Revel. They don't very rarely supply them. But never mind. Yeah, pretty basic. Yeah, nice to do it. I mean, it's like once I painted the cockpit and the interior, it'll probably all go together in like a day or day, maybe two. There's nothing to it really. So yeah, I'll get the interior parts painted and I will bring you back. Right, here's the decals. Didn't show them earlier. Not much to them, but they're there. There you go. Boom. Right, okay. You're not really going to be able to see that, but I've done the painted the interior detailing. Some of it is your pilot seats and other bits. So everything that is going in is on its way to being finished. I've just got to paint the gunmetal on the machine guns, which go in the nose when it all goes together. Yeah. I painted everything else, so yeah, I'll bring you back when I'm about to close the fuselage. See you in a bit. Right, okay, so back again. Apologies for the bad light, but it is night time again. Yeah, this panel on the goes on the side of the sort of whatever you would call it, fuselage on a helicopter. I don't know. Well, what else? I was actually pointing the camera at it. Just has a really weird fit on it, and there's like a triangular shaped hole in the top. I don't know. Yeah, just saying that's you know, I'll look into it a bit more, but I would say that's really poor show from Revel. Normally Revel kits are quite reasonable, but yeah, I'll have a look into it and I'll bring it back when I figured it. Well, judging by this, that shape there, that is the shape that's left in the top with the panel on there, so I presume that's right. So I'm going to build it. Thought I'd show you the completed cockpit. It was pretty good. Yeah, them side panels in the end kind of went on all right. Yeah, just still not convinced, but yeah, as I said, I don't do modern aircraft. They just don't interest me particularly. Yeah. It's just is what it is, isn't it? I think this. Just thinking about it, looking at the shape of it, I think it looks a bit like Airwolf. So I might look into doing an Airwolf paint scheme on it for a laugh. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I'll see what inspiration I get. But yeah, I've got to paint up the machine gun now, and then once that's dry, it'll be tomorrow. Now I can get the whole thing together. So I'll bring you back tomorrow. See you in a bit. Right, okay, so that's the gun and everything assembled. Cockpit in place. Tail fan there. Yeah, all good to go, ready to be closed up. So yeah, there you go. Bring it back later on. That's it all clamped up. Hope for the best, and yeah, I'll bring it back in the morning. Right, oh, it's so dark up here at the minute. It's grey and overcast, and oh, it's yuck. But it's, you know, November. What do we expect? But yeah, try and get it in slightly better light. There we go. Yeah, got it together. Took air pick sanding, especially underneath, to get rid of that seam line. But yeah, I'm actually, for a subject I'm not interested in at all, I'm quite enjoying it. So yeah, I'm going to do the next couple of steps or whatever, and I'll bring you back soon. Right, okay, so she's had her first coat. The instructions call out white for the weapons bay and the wheelbase. Okay, yeah, I'm going to leave it because it's a nice contrast to the green. Not sure how real it is, but yeah, it's had a first coat of the olive green. Going to leave that at that for now, and continue with the build. So yeah, as always, I'll bring you back when I've done a bit more. See you in a little while. Right, apologies yet again for the crap light, but it is what it is where I am. Yeah. So I got the front undercarriage on. I painted all the little compartments white, like the instructions say. I'm going to give some of that a second coat because it's a bit naff. I don't like painting white. But yeah, it's coming along. Yeah, rotor's made up and painted. Just waiting for that to dry. All the missiles are good to go. They just got to let that decal set on them. There's US Army decals on the side, both sides of all of them. And I can make the little wings up, stick them on, and everything else. Yeah, yeah. So it's supposed to be a little quick build, and here I am at the end of day 2, and I'm not even halfway through. But never mind. I'm really enjoying this kit. As I said before, it's a subject matter that does not interest me in any way, shape, or form. I don't like helicopters, as I said. But I'm enjoying myself, so I'm definitely getting my money's worth, since it only cost me £3. So yeah, I'll bring you back tomorrow when I've done a bit more. See you in a little while. Well, she's got her legs on. She's sitting on her wheels. I'm not too sure about the wheel flaps on the back being at the right angle, but yeah, definitely coming along. And the first set of missiles and stuff are on, but that flap's determined to sit up, which is really annoying. You can't really see that. Never mind. Yeah, move around that way a bit. There you go. To get a better angle, maybe. Yeah. This one. Let gravity do a bit of work with a bit of encouragement. Hopefully that will come out. Yeah, she's coming along. Painted, gave her first coat of paint on the canopy last night. That's freehand because I haven't got any masking tape again. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a second coat today. Yeah, I'll carry on and bring it back when I've done a bit more. Right, I realised that I haven't actually done an update in a little while on this. Yeah, I'm most of the way through the decals now. Yeah, annoyingly my other spray of this has run out, which is really annoying. But never mind. I've experimented with this, and yeah, it seems to have come out alright. There's a couple of bits where it's got like a white sort of powdery finish on it, which I'm sure we'll clean off. But yeah, it's coming along very nicely. Almost there now. Well, got the rotors on, got the all the decals on. Nearly there now. So I'm just going to let the decals set, and then give it another coat of the varnish, and then put the canopy on, and she'll be finished. Not going to weather it because it was a prototype, so probably didn't get dirty. So yeah, that's yeah, almost there. I'll bring you back as always when I've done that. It'll be a final reveal. So see you shortly. Well, here it is. Yeah. Quite happy with it. Yeah, it's a little quick build, bit of fun, something different. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of helicopters, but this one looks quite mean. Yeah, that'll hang on the kitchen ceiling somewhere with all my more modern stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that little build. Yeah, don't forget to like and share. Leave me a comment, and please check out my other videos. There's all sorts on there. I keep saying that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one very soon. Ta-da.